XPEV popping right into this area, this inflection point here. That's actually kind of interesting, isn't it? And so is Neo. I like that setup. There's Can ripping higher. I like this setup on XPEV. If this XPEV can hold above this 60, 50 cent level area here, and then cause a huge wick down, it could visit down here. Let's watch this XPEV. So it held above, okay. This thing feels heavy. I'm gonna short some there. Would love to see some signs of stronger selling, which will let me add. Gonna add some there as well. I'm gonna put some stops in place. If we can get below this wick, then everybody who got in buying that is going to be tapping out if they're looking for an opening drive up. Putting some cover orders in below. Market is rolling over. We're seeing the market roll over. Okay, got filled for one there. In the 30s now. Got filled for another one there. Market is on lows. Gonna cancel my stop that's up there. And actually, since it's the open, I'm gonna cancel that stop. If this pops back up against me, I'm gonna be all out at break even. But I'm looking for this to have some follow through, but it's also a scalp. Like I'm not gonna stick around, but looking to cover a little bit of this into the lows and then save the last bit for new low day. Don't want to see it above 50 cents now. That was the dead cat bounce, if you will. Looking for a flush down. Don't want to see that. Want to see an immediate flush down. Want to be patient, but not too patient. Always tricky on the open. Looks like we're getting some follow through to the downside, down into the 30s. Let's see if we can push down to the 20s here. Nope. Okay, don't want to see it above this 50-cent level anymore. Gonna move my stop down. And the last one will stop out up there. Tight stops on this, it's the open, it's a scalp. I'm looking for a quick downside move. Looking for a failure right here. Did get down to the 30s, but it looks like okay. And I am down to 100 shares. My final stop's at 64 cents. Looking for a drop to lows. Big size on the offer there. 59,000 at 40 cents. Let's see what happens with that. $34,000 at 40 cents. So I'm going to keep in my stop at 64 cents, and I'm going to keep a home run cover order down there, but it looks like I'm going to get stopped out right here on this uptick, which is fine. Again, this is the open. I'm not looking to, yep, there I get stopped out. Okay, well, didn't follow through to the downside. We saw significant buying around 33.30, and there's the pop up. So definitely 33.30 is a significant level in XPEV. So 33.30, significant level on open.